Well, everybody knows that Filmora have been under serious challenge from users to add the 3D camera feature. Well, they haven't done that yet.
God, please, no! No! No!
But meanwhile, we have something.
Wondershare Filmora for noobs.
Filmora team have released some features to give us some illusion of 3D effects. They have released a couple of 3D effects that are actually paid. For example, the basic 3D, the corner pin, and other motion effects. But hey, today we are not talking about those specifically. In the latest update of Filmora 15.7, there are 3D templates which we can actually use while we are waiting for the actual 3D feature. Under the templates folder, there is a multi-frame table which is actually new, and right here you are going to see all of them. Now for a quick guide right here, my dear friend, let's take one for an example. Right here, once you drag the template down in the timeline on the right side of your preview screen, as you can see, there are properties of that specific split 3D template. So what's your job right here? Simple. Under your media bin, you just have to drag your footage and place them as replacements as you customize the template to be your own edit. Now you can actually adjust clips individually right here. The scale, the position, the rotation. Not just that, you can also add a different animation right here, choose from all of these or adjust the color. Now if you want, you can go to the advanced option right here and make the whole thing full screen so that you can see everything in a better way. Right here you can choose to customize all of the clips at once or just one at a time. Now the problem with the templates is it limits your creativity. There is nothing else you can create unless that which is given. That is exactly why we don't want normal templates, normal effects, but the actual 3D camera feature. I don't know what Filmora is going to do if they don't release this feature in the coming Filmora 17, because they better do. Until I meet you in the next one, friends, subscribe. Peace.